Hi Bloomers! Welcome to Vocabloom. Today we're going back in time and learning how to ask questions using was and were. These are called be verbs in the past tense. Let's dig in. Yes or no questions are asked when we want a short answer. Just yes or no. Now we'll use past tense be verbs to ask about what happened before. Was it cold yesterday? Yes, it was. Were they at school? No, they weren't. In the past, be verbs am, is, or are become was and were. Use was for I, he, she, and it. Use were for you, we, and they. For example, I was sleepy. She was late. They were happy. To ask a yes or no question, we flip the sentence. Start with was or were. Statement, she was surprised. Question, was she surprised? Statement, they were tired. Question, were they tired? Statement, I was sick. Question, was I sick? Question structure, was were plus subject plus rest of sentence. Here are tips to help you remember. Use was for one person or thing. Use were for more than one person. Flip verb plus subject. Say it aloud to check. Past tense be verbs help describe something that already happened. Events yesterday or last week. Example, was he late yesterday? Questions about memories. Example, were we home last night? Let's practice together. Listen and repeat. Statement, he was tired. Question, was he tired? Statement, you were early. Question, were you early? Statement, I was ready. Question, was I ready? You rocked it today, Bloomers. Now you can ask yes or no questions using was and were. Try writing 3 questions in the comments below using past tense be verbs. And be sure to subscribe at Vocabloom Hub so you never miss a grammar bloom. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share and join us for more videos.